I'll go get it.
Can you run and go get it? Thanks.
You're so quick.
You.
Placing sentry.
Heaven.
Uh-oh. Heaven. Oh my god, is that Joey? Link to my OnlyFans? Do you have an OnlyFans?
I don't know what that wobble was.
I don't know either, but can...
Gun here.
He's in the cubby.
Please, keep playing. Mama.
Defeated.
Spike planted.
Ooh, Reaver.
Gun here. Gun here.
Enemy in defender spawn.
One enemy remaining.
Your duty is not down.
Where is he?
They were not good enough.
There we go. Oh my god, is that... No, I wish if I wasn't fugly, maybe? I don't think you're, ugly, but you could always wear... Not, like... I'm not telling you to wear a hood. I don't... Because you're not ugly. But you could if that was what you were worried about. But I'm not telling you you need it. I don't think you need it. I think you have a beautiful face. But... that came out really wrong. That came out wrong. I mean, if you're into paper bags... Jeremy calls his viewers ugly. I don't think you're ugly. I think you're very good looking. That's not real. Joey's never gonna let this go. Canceling, subtweeting. Wow, Shade. No. Happy Heads, how are you? What's up, ugly bitches? I'm just kidding.
That's your catchphrase. Love that.
Happy Tuesday, ugly bitches.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh no, oh no, oh.
Spike
I
down
was away
A.
from it, but I guess not.
Bot coming
But
back.
who did I die with?
Okay, you know what? Should I just do a long flank? Oh, Fade's on the other team, by the way. The girl with on the fourth one on the top.
You murdered me.
Ouch, I felt that one right in my self-conscious. Not whoever gifted me a sub, I am sorry. You wasted this. No. I support good and ugly. I support tops, bottoms, verse.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Popping that bitch in the face.
30 seconds left.
Empty.
Good job.
Thanks. Oh, so are you saying we're ugly? Well, I think it hurts less if I say collectively, right?
We fight once again.
Shut the fuck up.
No? And that as a whole. Oh, speaking of holes. Hey, Johnny, I have a joke. How do you make holy water? You'll like this one. At least that's what Joey told me.
Oh,
Let's go.
How do you make holy water? This just in. Jeremy's viewers are collectively ugly. No, I have some sexy people up in my chat, yo. He's right here behind me. He's fucking eating my ass.
Oh, he's by me now.
Placing
Oh, he's
alarm
here.
bot. Initiated. Placing careful. Bomb grenade out. Reloading.
That bitch walked right up in my shit.
Area's clear.
Area's clear. Oh,
Oh,
This way.
Out, backside, 2, 3.
you had the spike anyways, bitch.
oh, he's on site, yo.
Spike down B.
I got spike.
I could not see a damn thing.
You stick 2 fingers in? Nah, whole hand. Eating
One
ass.
enemy
No.
remaining.
Where's the command on my Valorant dashboard? Command ass. Nah, he's not platinum. Sushi, did you just see what I just saw?
I
He
didn't
is.
see anything.
He's not plat 3, y'all.
Time to jump.
No. Nope.
Time to jump.
Jeremy said we're ugly. Happy as oh my god, thank you.
Fake
Okay, I checked your Twitch channel. Leave the mask off. See, I told you. He's attractive. But I mean